Welcome, I'm your host Luca, and today we got something beautiful and of course fantastic. It is another dessert day on my channel. We were going to make a beautiful, delicious chocolate cream pie with a special crust, not a traditional crust, not an Oreo crust like I've done before, but a special, fantastic crust. So if you want to know how to make it, you want to know what kind of crust I'm going to be using, keep on watching. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. To make your cookie dough, start by adding a half a cup of granulated sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar to the bowl of your stand mixer. Continue by adding a half a cup of unsalted butter. Continue with adding a wonderful splash of vanilla extract to help cream those wonderful ingredients. Start mixing those delicious ingredients using your paddle attachment. Add 1 egg and continue to mix until well formed and creamed. Add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Continue with 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix to form your cookie dough. Add a generous amount of semi-sweet chocolate chips and mix thoroughly. Fantastic, delicious. Spray a pie dish with non-stick spray. Add your formed cookie dough and flatten out and fill your pie dish thoroughly. This will be your delicious pie crust for your chocolate cream pie. Delicious, fantastic, fantastic. Now that the chocolate chip cookie pie crust is out of the oven, flatten it down in the center to form your crevice for your filling with a glass. Then set aside to cool and continue to form your ingredients for your filling. For your filling, start by adding 5 egg yolks to a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix. Add about a half a cup of granulated sugar to a saucepan, followed by 2.5 cups of whole milk, and bring to a gentle boil. While mixing, temper the eggs by adding a little bit of the boiling milk to them and stirring thoroughly and constantly. Add the egg yolks back to the saucepan and stir till it comes to a gentle boil and begins to thicken. Remove from the heat, add some cocoa powder, 6 tablespoons of salted butter, a splash of vanilla extract, followed by a generous amount of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and thoroughly mix to form that beautiful, delicious filling for your pie. Yum, yum, yum. Add the filling to your chocolate chip cookie pie crust, cover with cling wrap, and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours to let it set. For your chocolate whipped cream, add about a cup of powdered sugar into your stand mixer bowl, followed by 500 milliliters of 35% whipping cream, about 1 to 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a splash of vanilla extract, and whip your ingredients to form that delicious, beautiful whipping cream, fantastic, made from scratch. Add your whipping cream to your set pie. Gently shave white chocolate sprinkles all over the top. there you have it. Beautiful, delicious chocolate cream pie with chocolate whipping cream on top, shaved white chocolate with a chocolate chip cookie crust. You won't find that anywhere but at Cooking at Home with Luca. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that like button so you get alerted when I upload new and fantastic recipes just like this one. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao!